Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi niya, breaking. Net 25 reporter pinagbabawal na sa Malacanang. Basahin ang inilabas na pahayag ni Presidential Communications Office Secretary J. Ruiz sa Malacanang Press Corps na nagbigay katwiran sa hirit ng kanyang tanggapan sa Net25 na tanggalin bilang Malacanang beat reporter si Eden Santos. So ito, I think final na ito Talagang wala na si Eden Santos sa Malacanang beat. Presidential Communications Office Secretary J. Ruiz has affirmed the decision of the Media Accreditation and Relations Office in seeking the replacement of Net25 reporter Eden Santos, who violated pre-approved media protocols during President Marcos Jr.'s event in Tarlac on June 25. In a formal reply addressed to Malacanang Press Corps Officer in Charge Ivan Mayrena, Ruiz emphasized that the incident was not a minor lapse but a serious disruption that endangered the President's security and undermined the order of the event. Covering the President of the Philippines is not an ordinary beat, sabi ni PCO Secretary. It demands discipline, decorum, and adherence to established security protocols, not only out of respect for the office but for the personal safety of the Chief Executive and everyone on site. Yan ang paliwanag ni Ruiz. Footage from the event showed Ms. Santos leaving the designated media area and charging toward the President without clearance. A uniformed security personnel was forced to immediately block her, reacting instinctively to a perceived security breach. More concerning, Ruiz noted, is that Santos' action prompted other journalists to follow, escalating the situation and placing additional strain on the presidential security team. This chain reaction unnecessarily disrupted the flow of the event and created a bad precedent that, if unaddressed, risked eroding the discipline that has long governed palace coverage. Yan ang dagdag ng Secretary. At that time, President Marcos was already led by Interior Secretary Junvic Rimulya to the platform where his remarks were to be delivered. Ruiz clarified that the reporters' movement was unsolicited, unsanctioned, and in violation of the MARO-issued guidelines, which strictly prohibit ambush interviews and unauthorized approaches. Ito ba? Maraming violations daw si Ms. Eden Santos. Dinagdag pa ito. Relatedly, Ruiz informed Mayrena that Net25 reaffirmed its position to adhere to protocols in covering the President. Ito, nag-respond na ang Net25. Let me also take this opportunity to inform you that we received a letter from Net25 News and Information Chief Paul Padua affirming the network's assurance that we will follow protocols and abide by the policy imposed for the coverage in Tacloban, Leyte on July 7. We see this as a welcome development in the light of the Tarlac incident. In another incident with which Ms. Santos has committed an infraction was during the briefing of Yusek Claire Castro at the Philippine Information Agency last May 14, where she uttered invectives shouting bastos at one of the PCO staff. Ayun, naningil na sila. Ito, yung mga added violation ni Ms. Santos. Also, the PCO chief noted that in 3 other separate occasions, Santos had failed to meet the required deadlines for media enlistment provided under the media advisories issued at every press event meant to ensure proper coordination with the Presidential Security Command. We have issued multiple reminders and have directly communicated with her to comply with the standard process which she had failed to follow. Anyway, ito na. Ang dami-dami na nilang inalalabas na violation ni Miss Eden Santos. Sige na lang. At least nalaman natin na ang Net25 susunod. Palagay ko, pabayaan na lang natin ito. Kasi pumayag ng Net25, baka may ibang reporter na nilang ipinalit. Si Miss Eden Santos, aktibo pa rin ngayon, although hindi na siya nagko-cover sa Malacanang. Napapanood pa rin natin kasi doon na siya mismo magbalita sa Net25. Ano yung pasabog ni Miss Eden Santos? Yung bang drug cleared barangays na sinabi ni Yusek Claire Castro na ano yung 4,027 drug free barangays. Tinanong noon ni Eden, ano yung mga barangays na yan? Sige, bibigyan namin kayo ng listahan. Nagbigay ng listahan. Nako, na-booking. Nagbigay nga ng makapal na papel. Ganyan, listahan ko noon ng 4,000 barangays. Wala namang laman kundi numero lang at saka ang karamihan kalahati blanco. Ano ba yun? May blank bycam report? Ano ba yung mga blanco? May blank may isa pang blanco eh. So blank paper, drug free barangay, and then may isa pa na may blank drug test. May nabasa kong post na gano'n. So, mabuhay ka, Miss Eden Santos. Sige na lang kung tinanggal ka nila. Okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Nads Alarba, palusot lang kayo. Takot malaman ang katotohanan. Ailifo Ispilopez, this current admin will always find ways to retaliate against his perceived enemies. Rachel Ginan, Press freedom, forget it. If it does not align to their so-called protocol, yes, yo. Men Diesel, semi martial law is waiving. Lilith Mendoza, turning the government to martial law in a simple and silent way. Mia Rodi, takot kay Miss Eden, her questions are harmful daw. Okay.